It was fun. I went facing forward and it was neat. Here we go. Time to fall sideways. Oh yeah, down.
No.
That's so cool.
Sideways. Stay sideways. No.
Yeah. No, but we'll hit the launch and maybe facing backwards.
See, I like launching sideways.
The launching sideways is neat.
Ready.
Ready for launch.
Here we go. Whoa! Hanging there. Sideways. Look at the horizon loop. I love that. Whoa!
Here we go. I love doing that through the corkscrew.
Boom! I like this. Oh!
Yeah, see,
That
I
is
like
so good.
back better. I love back.
They're both good. There were my other front one. Depending on the way you're facing, you get thrown around a bit more.
This was our biggest time jump yet.
All you gotta do is dream big and do good.
Yeah, and you don't spin that much on the brake.
No. Well, that's the whole. Thank God for that.
What is this, your fifth time?
Fourth. She's seen me a lot of.
Yeah.
Once the
Okay.
restraints open, please exit toward the bridge.
Okay.